backyard beaver dam. Yesterday we couldn't get this far, but today we have a little bit more wind. So we're moving somewhat. Comes and goes. Spurt here, spurt there. I'm filming this, but I really don't know what I'm looking at. Except I'm pleased that we have made it away from the dock to the point where we can't even see it. And we're right at the dam. I've been able to do this a time or two before. Not recently. I think there's a man kayak fishing right at that damn spot. Huh. How about that? Well, anyway, that's it.